Hey, everybody's laughing, having a good time. I hope you are too. Happy Monday. This is my trade review for June 5th. And here we go.
Eva Trades.
First off, looking at the website, I modified a couple of things here on the P&L tracker. I split up the phases so we could get a better look at my past progress for each phase. There's phase one, and here are the days of profit and loss, and then down to phase two, which is in the brown, and then down to phase three, which is the current one that I'm working on. And I still have the overall here, if you wanted to see that, if you're interested. And then down here, I have my weekly candles and then my monthly candles. So you can see I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green months in a row. I'm working on number 6. We'll see. And then, so today I'm up $128.18. So I hit my daily goal. And another thing I wanted to show you was that now that has moved my projection date to finish phase 3 from June 20th down to June 16th. So that means that if I continue with my current progress, I have 9 more days till I'm finished with phase 3, and then I move on to phase 4 where my profits will double. Whoops. Let me get that back where it's supposed to be. So that's pretty exciting. I hope that that will happen next week sometime. That would be pretty awesome. Let's take a look at the trades now that I took today. 28 fills, which is pretty small. I usually trade a lot more than that. So let me go ahead and pull up. So FRZA, PACW, and PLTR are the only 3 stocks I traded today. So this is the one I was most active with. FRZA, this was an accidental trade right here. I had a couple of limit orders that I placed pre-market. I was trying to clear out a dialog box, and I couldn't cancel the orders. It wouldn't let me. And when that happens and the bell rings, usually the orders will get filled at whatever price the stock is trading, even though I'd clicked cancel. So it's an unfortunate thing that happens in the Thinkorswim platform that so far has not bit me yet, but I know it's coming. And so anyways, this is where I would have taken a trade because I was watching that level. I actually had a line drawn down here. So I was watching that support level. That's where I would have gotten in. But no matter, I got in anyways by accident, and then I sold it up here. I held it for a little bit, let it move up, it came back, so I sold it. I didn't have any losing trades on FRZA. I bought a little pullback here to the EMAs. It made a little move up, and I sold it, and then it continued to drop. And then we started to see a breakout here as we came up above the EMA. So I got in once, I added, and I sold it all up here. And I sold the rest down here, actually. I was holding one of those positions, sold the rest there. And then we consolidated a little bit, started to break out again. Bang, bang, bang. I'm back in, selling, and I'm all done. Up $94.41 on FRZA. So mostly buying pullbacks on FRZA, and that is why I am green on all of my trades. I believe that's why. Except for this, where I did actually add on the breakout. PACW, this was another one that was an accident. Had it not been for this one, I would have not had a single red trade today, which would be a first in my history of trading, I think. Because I usually take so many trades that I'm bound to have some red trades. Anyways, it was a small red trade, like I lost $3. So then we came down, we were at the support. We started to make a move up. At the volume weighted average price, I jump in it. It breaks through the high of 810, and that's where I'm selling it. Jumping in it again here on a pullback, but not looking like it's going to want to turn back around and go up. So I get back out, break even. You can see the red arrows behind that green arrow. So that's where I got out. And then it dropped afterwards, and I didn't trade it after that. Up 1360 on PACW. PLTR, the third stock here that I traded. And wow, look at that. Weird price action on this stock. And that's why I traded it once and did not do it again, because Usually when you look at a price ladder or a level 2, if you're familiar with the level 2 on trading, um, for Thinkorswim, they have the price ladder. It's called the active trader with the price ladder. And usually, well, pretty much all the time, you'll see the bids and then the ask, right? And the ask will be up here and the bid will be down here. For some reason, and I've seen it before, but it's very rare on PLTR, the bid was above the ask. Now, I don't know why that happens, and it's a little confusing to me, but I did get in this trade on this pullback and it made a move up, but it was showing that I was negative, and I think it was because that bid and ask were reversed. Anyways, when I sold it, I was up 20 bucks. So I was like, yeah, I'm not going to trade that again. So anyways, that's it. Yeah, pretty much all winners today, buying pullbacks. That's what I've been practicing, and it's working a lot better for me. I haven't had nearly as many failures buying pullbacks as I had been before. So, oh, and another thing too is I am halfway through phase 2 now. I'm over $2,500. I want to get from 1,500 up to 3,500. So 25 is that halfway point, and I've made it past it. Hoorah! All right, that's it. That's my trade review. I hope you had a great trading day. I hope you made some money. I hope your strategy's working for you. And if it's not, don't give up. Just keep on plugging away. Keep on trying to make it better. It's taken me years to get to the point where I'm actually consistently profitable. It takes a long time, so don't be discouraged and just keep going. And don't worry, you're going to lose a lot of money along the way until you get to that point where you're consistent. I think every trader has to go through that. Anyways, see you tomorrow morning. Bye.